In this video, I am going to explain Chapter 14 Linear Equations from Class 7 Mathematics. I would like to explain some of the important terms used in this particular chapter. First of all, you need to know what is a mathematical statement. A mathematical sentence which may be either true or false, but not both, are known as mathematical statements. And a mathematical sentence which contains a variable such that it may be true or false depending on the values of the variable is called an open sentence. So in the previous chapter, algebraic expressions, you have already studied what is a variable. So in a mathematical statement, the letters or the letters of the English alphabets used can be called as a variable, as the value keeps changing from one sentence to the other. That means in all the mathematical statements given, or else in all the algebraic expressions which you have come across with, a variable used does not take the same value in all the cases. It varies or the value changes. Therefore, those letters are called as variables. But the numbers which are appearing in a mathematical statement, it takes a constant value. The value does not change. It has a fixed value. That is why the numbers used in a mathematical statement is called as a constant. On putting the value of the variable used in the mathematical sentence, if it becomes either a true statement or it becomes a false statement, then such a mathematical sentence can be called as an open sentence. And this variables, the values can be found out. We can find out the values of the variables used in the mathematical sentences. After finding out the values, if we substitute the values of those variables in the given sentence, if the given sentence becomes a true statement, then the set of those values which we have arrived at can be called as the truth set or the solution set. That means it's given the set of all those values of the variables which convert an open sentence into a true statement is called the truth set or solution set of the open sentence. So a set of variables, a set of the values of the variables which makes a given mathematical statement a true statement. Those values together, maybe sometimes in some cases there is only one value which will make the given statement a true statement, while there are some statements in which the same variable can assume several values which will satisfy the condition of truth. That means it makes the given statement a true statement also. Then all those values of that variable can be taken as the solution set or the truth set.